Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. And today I went to the Great Batavia Train Show in Batavia, New York. And here's my train haul from the show. The show was a great show, bigger than last year. Has over 240 vendors, I think, or 270. I can't remember on the piece of paper. But here's my haul from the show, and we will start off with the three loose rolling stock. I got an Appalachia Northern 50-foot boxcar. Has spinning roller bearing caps, Katy couplers, metal wheels. Then I got another one in the yellow scheme. This is the blue scheme. In the yellow scheme, pretty cool car. Then I got a weathered Santa Fe 50-foot boxcar. That's pretty cool. All these three cars cost me like $30 a piece. They're like $10 a piece. And then let's move on to the other stuff. From the boxes, the rolling stock in the boxes. These are four of them are Intermountains, and one is a tangent car. Start off with this one. This one is a Morrison Crick Green Court, whatever you say it, that name. 3-bay hopper. Here's the box. Pretty cool car. Highly detailed everywhere around. Edge metal walkway. Metal truck. Metal wheels. Katy couplers installed. Pretty cool car. And then we got an NS coil car. Comes with two coils, which are the weights, and the coil hoods come off. And this is the Norfolk Southern version. Evans coil car. Pretty cool car. The hood's open. There's the coil. Coil is metal, and it is the weight to the car, which is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And then we have the CSX 2-bay hopper, which is pretty cool. Goes great with my two Rapido CSX locomotives. And that over there is the C30-7 that I got for Christmas. Pretty cool car. Edge metal walkway. Details all around. Katy couplers, metal wheels. Here's the box. Standard Intermountain box. And there's ACF 2-bay hopper. Pretty cool 2-bay CSX hopper. And we have a Santa Fe 3-bay hopper. ATSF. Pretty cool. Edge metal walkway. And metal wheels and Katy couplers installed. Pretty cool car. Then I was also at the show. I was looking for tangents, and I finally found one that I liked. Here's this Conrail 3-bay hopper. It is the PC Samuel Way Shops 4600 covered hopper, made by Tangent. This is the Conrail Quality H51C gray repaint 1992 plus. Pretty cool car. Got spinning roller bearing caps on this one. All Tangents have spinning roller bearing caps. Katy couplers. These have the scale Katy couplers. Metal wheels. Look at the detail on the frame. That's really cool. Tangents is very good with their details. And look at the piping and the air brake system. The chain to the brake wheel. Edge metal walkway. Pretty cool car. Detail on the body. This one's the heaviest car out of the others. This one's pretty hefty, rated. That's a pretty cool car. It comes with extra in the box. It comes with extra roller bearing caps if one of them falls off, which is pretty good. I also have another tangent car, the Burlington Northern coal hoppers, which are over there. One of them has a missing roller bearing cap, and they didn't come with extra roller bearing caps. So I wonder if I could grab one of those, see if they fit. I think they're the same size of roller bearings. I gotta see if they go on it correctly. So I gotta do that, or I can buy parts on Tangent's website. So this is a pretty cool car, like that. And here is the haul from the show. Had a pretty good time, and yeah, I made a good haul this year from the Batavia show. This was my first show of the year, so more shows are coming up in upstate and western New York, central New York area. So I gotta go into those shows soon. I know the Utica show is coming up next weekend, but I won't be going to that show because I have plans that Sunday. So if you're in the Utica area, I haven't gone, but I heard other people say the Utica show is very good. It's a good show, decent sized show, and it's in the old New York Central station in Utica. And Amtrak still uses that station. And there's a viaduct. There's a overhead walkway area. You can see the trains and the air on the deck. Railroad is there at the Utica station too. So if you ever in the Utica, New York area, Sunday, January 19th is the next train show is the Utica show. So if you're in the Utica area, please make to that show. I heard it's very good and yeah. All right, everyone. This is my haul from today from the Great Batavia Train Show, and have a great one. Bye.